Welcome to the GED training course on the basics of Intercept spacer production. This is the first lesson of this course, which will discuss the theory of an Intercept IG unit. We will discuss the components that make up a basic insulating glass unit, which are glass, spacer, sealant, and desiccated matrix. The term IG stands for insulating glass. An insulating glass unit, also known as an IGU, is a hermetically sealed glass unit for a window, which typically provides a clear view of the outdoors while insulating against heat loss or heat gains, allowing light in, and protecting against adverse weather conditions. Single-paned windows may provide a view of the outdoors and keep weather elements out, but they don't provide much insulation. If you've ever experienced cold winters with this type of window, you've found that you lose that clear view when moisture condensation freezes on the glass, frosting up the window. A basic IGU, or insulating glass unit, consists of 4 components: 2 pieces of glass, a spacer frame, sealant, and desiccated matrix. This basic construction is also referred to as a double-pane IG. If the IGU has 3 pieces of glass, each separated by a spacer and sealed, this is called a triple-pane IG unit. Glass creates a barrier that keeps the weather elements out, but allows light in, and typically provides a clear view outside. Glass is available in many different thicknesses, types, colors, and coatings. A single piece of glass is often referred to as a light or pane. Generally, most residential windows will use single-strength, SS, or double-strength, DS, glass that usually measures about 93 thousandths for SS or 125 thousandths for DS. Metric sizes of 2.5 millimeters or 3 millimeters are commonly used as well. Thicknesses will vary depending on the strength required and for sound dampening. Commonly, one light in an IGU is coated with a microscopic silver oxide layer that helps block UV rays from the sun. These are referred to as low E coatings, where the E stands for emissivity. Normally, as shown here, the low E coating is edge deleted from the perimeter of the light to prevent oxidation of the coating between the sealant and the glass. Oxidation of this type will cause a sealant adhesion failure, resulting in a failed IG unit. A low E coating in colder climates is used to reflect heat back into the home. In warmer climates, they are used to help block UV rays to minimize the greenhouse effect, so air conditioning systems don't have to work as hard to overcome solar heat gains. Heat treating, or tempering, strengthens glass and prevents it from breaking into large, dangerous shards that can cause severe injuries. Glass may also be strengthened by adhering 2 or more pieces of glass with an interlayer of material between them, typically of polyvinyl butyrol, PVB, or ethylene vinyl acetate, EVA. This is called laminated glass. Glass that has been tempered and laminated to certain specifications may be used to make hurricane or impact windows. A spacer separates the lights in an IG unit, creating a hermetically sealed airspace. The airspace slows down the movement of air as air on the cold surface sinks and air on the warm surface rises. This reduces the heat transfer or heat loss through the IG unit due to convection, giving it its insulating characteristic. This airspace is sometimes filled with an inert gas, such as argon or krypton, which are denser than air, further slowing down the heat transfer and providing even better thermal properties. PPG introduced the Intercept warm edge spacer system for IG units in 1992. Intercept spacers feature a unique, one-piece, tin-plated or stainless steel U-channel design that creates an effective thermal barrier to help reduce conducted heat loss through the window. Its sealed one-piece design makes Intercept spacers stronger and better at retaining insulating gas than many conventional designs. PPG partnered with GED, who developed the Intercept spacer frame machine. In 2016, PPG sold its flat glass division along with the Intercept rights to Vitro Corporation in Mexico. While there are a number of different spacer systems available, Intercept has several clear advantages over them. Intercept's U-shaped design offers flexibility and durability with the strongest corners and longest seal path, which significantly reduces seal failures, moisture transmission into the IG, and argon loss for overall better seal integrity. And it not only looks good, but has superior warm edge performance, meaning it's better at reducing thermal heat loss or controlling heat gains through the IG. It simply insulates better. The sealant, also called butyl, is the material that hermetically seals and adheres the glass to the spacer. It also provides a barrier to keep moisture out, and in the case of a gas-filled unit, it helps keep the argon or krypton gas in the unit. The desiccated matrix, or otherwise known as desiccant or matrix, adsorbs moisture, which may be trapped inside when the unit is assembled, as well as moisture that may pass through the seals over the life of the unit. Adsorption is a chemical reaction that traps moisture so it does not condense on the inside of the IG unit. Thank you for participating in this lesson. Please review the other lessons in this GED training course shown here.